Well, we're back home full circle. We have enjoyed 7 weeks of vacation. And we've traveled all over Costa Rica. We had such a great time that basically I didn't do any videos. I apologize for that. But today I'm going to share a lot of the footage that I've collected and we have enjoyed so far. And I hope you'll enjoy it. The reason why I did this video is because I want you to get motivated. I want you to see and feel the dream. We were able to experience that dream, travel, enjoy time with family, and just enjoy the wonders of nature. And if you like that kind of stuff, I suggest go down to my website down below over here at makemoneywithmax.online. And I will be your coach. I'll be happy to teach you through all the process that you need to go through, friends. I've got a lot of experience in marketing. I'm a certified master salesman. I have a certificate on that. Plus, I've taken a lot of education. Folks, education is cheap if you compare it to poverty. Let's talk a little bit more about that in the next video. But now sit back, enjoy the beautiful scenes of Costa Rica.